In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello and Outlook Calendar. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the Outlook Calendar power-up enabled on the Trello board you choose, which is the foundation for keeping your Trello due dates visible alongside your Outlook schedule. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into Trello, have access to the board you want to sync, and note that some workspaces limit which power-ups you can add based on plan or admin settings. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is the hub where all your boards live, so it's the easiest place to pick the project you want to connect. Choose the specific board that contains cards with due dates you want to see in Outlook. If your cards don't have due dates yet, consider adding them later so they'll appear on your calendar once the integration is active. On your selected board, look for the Power Ups option. Depending on your layout, it may be in the top toolbar or inside the board menu. Power-ups extend your board's capabilities, and Outlook Calendar is the one that links Trello dates to your Microsoft Outlook Calendar view. Click Add Power-ups to open the directory. This brings up the searchable catalog of integrations. In the search bar, type Outlook Calendar. You're looking for the official option that mentions syncing Trello due dates with Outlook. Open the listing to read the description if you want to confirm how it works, including any plan requirements or permissions needed. When you're ready, click Add to install it to your board. Trello may show a confirmation dialog or a brief loading message while it attaches the power-up. If your workspace restricts power-ups, you may see an alert instead. In that case, contact a workspace admin or check your plan. Otherwise, proceed with the prompt and click Add or Enable again if you're asked to confirm. Once enabled, you'll see Outlook Calendar listed under Power-Ups on your board, confirming the feature is active. From here, the Power-Up will guide you through any remaining connection steps within its own panel, and your due-dated cards can start appearing in Outlook based on the settings you choose. A few quick tips for smooth results. Make sure cards have due dates. Verify your time zone in both Trello and Outlook so events align, and keep an eye on permissions if you're working in a shared workspace. If you don't see the power-up immediately, refresh the board or try the desktop browser. That's it. Your Trello board now has the Outlook Calendar power-up ready to keep your tasks and calendar in sync.